Shah Eye Care, founded in 2010 under the esteemed Shah Group. It is situated in southern part of India, conveniently located near Bangalore International Airport, just 288 kilometers away, connecting to major global cities. Step into our 42,000 square feet state-of-the-art facility, meticulously crafted for manufacturing ophthalmic medical devices. The ground floor comprises 14,000 square feet, with 8,000 square feet allocated for cleanroom manufacturing, assembly, quality control, testing, shelf life study, and packing facilities, along with 6,000 square feet dedicated to inward stores and warehousing. The second floor awaits transformation into 8,000 square feet of advanced cleanroom manufacturing and 6,000 square feet of expansive warehousing, poised to redefine industry benchmarks. On the third floor, spanning 14,000 square feet, our office facility is situated with design and development, production planning, regulatory, finance, and marketing teams to drive innovation and excellence. We also have a canteen facility. Shah Eye Care currently producing our own brands, AcuCut and AcuCut Safety Ophthalmic Microsurgical Knives. Utilizing AI-based electro-etching technology adapted from Germany, AcuCut ophthalmic knives have advanced features that improve surgical precision, adhering to global certifications and standards. Currently, AcuCut knives are exported to more than 60 countries worldwide and recognized as one of the leading global brands competing with other global brands. With its cutting-edge in-house facility, Shah Eye Care offers contract manufacturing services to global clients for products like ophthalmic knives, IOL injectors, and irrigation and aspiration handpieces. With adaptable manufacturing capabilities, we provide excellent value for investment and ensure swift speed to market. With our state-of-the-art facility, Shah Eye Care facilitates end-to-end contract manufacturing, encompassing research, product design, development, prototyping, testing, and product realization. Shah Eye Care's dedicated workforce and teams are organized to solve the challenges faced by our customers and to provide support in every aspect of product development and regular business operations. Thank you for considering your business partner.